Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best toddler car seats on Amazon. These seats include a variety of features, but all of them have the same objective: keeping your precious little ones safe on the road. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Graco Extend 2-Fit Convertible Car Seat. Graco provides another versatile seat that transforms from a rear-facing harness to a forward-facing harness. The seat accommodates up to 50 pounds in a rear-facing position and up to 65 pounds in a forward-facing position. This allows children to ride in both modes for longer and enjoy the safety of the convertible car seat. This Graco car seat is designed to grow with children. It features a 4-position extension panel for additional legroom and a fully adjustable harness and headrest. You can choose a perfect headrest height for your child from 10 available positions and switch between 6 reclining positions for enhanced comfort. Even more important, the Graco car seat is rigorously tested and ensures superior protection in crashes. When it comes to drawbacks, this seat has very few of them. Parents only struggled with tightening the seat belt. Number 2. Safety First Grow and Go Convertible Car Seat. The Safety First convertible car seat is a lightweight and quality model designed for all vehicle types. It transforms from a rear-facing into a forward-facing seat and belt positioning booster, accommodating from 5 to 100 pounds. Therefore, the seat is ideal for both infants and toddlers and proves to be safe for long-term use. The seat features a thick and durable shell and has side impact protection to absorb shock and vibrations. Still, it proves to be very comfortable thanks to the soft inner foam. There's also a quick-fit harness that allows easy adjustments of both the harness and the headrest. Parents will love the machine washable and dryer safe seat pad and 2 removable cup holders as well. The installation can be a little tricky, especially for those who are putting the seat in a rear-facing position. It is recommended to take a peek at online instructions because most people struggle to finish the installation on their own. Number 3. Chico Mifid Harness and Booster Car Seat. This is a versatile baby car seat that works in both booster and harness modes. As a booster, the seat accommodates children who are 2 years old, tall up to 54 inches, and weighs from 25 to 65 pounds. The harness mode makes it ideal for children who are 4 years old, tall up to 57 inches, and weigh between 40 and 100 pounds. The seat is made to keep your child safe in cars for years of growth. The Duo Guard shell and the steel-reinforced frame ensure side protection in case of crashes. The EPS energy-absorbing foam distributes the impacts and ensures safety during rides. You can recline the seat and adjust the headrest in 4 and 9 positions. The latch and lock Sure belt systems make it easy to install. The seat even features 2 cup holders that are dishwasher safe. Although the 2 locking systems should help with the setup, there are still some concerns regarding seat installation. Number 4. Safety First Grand 2-in-1 Booster Car Seat. Safety is paramount when it comes to car seats, and the Safety First Grand 2-in-1 Booster Car Seat doesn't disappoint. Equipped with a 5-point harness system, it offers optimal security for children weighing between 30 to 65 pounds. The adjustable headrest provides proper positioning for a growing child and ensures maximum protection in the event of a collision. As your child grows and reaches the weight range of 40 to 120 pounds, the Safety First Grand 2-in-1 Booster Car Seat effortlessly transforms into a belt positioning booster seat. The seat's built-in belt guides make it easy to properly position the vehicle's seat belt, ensuring a secure fit for older children. This feature not only enhances safety, but also provides a seamless transition for children as they outgrow the harness. Number 5. Graco SlimFit 3-in-1 Car Seat. Graco SlimFit is an all-in-one car seat that easily transforms from the rear and front-facing positions to the booster mode. It's versatile and suitable for all phases of your child's development. The seat is ideal for infants and toddlers who weigh from 5 to 100 pounds. It has a 5-point harness system for superior protection, and it's crash-tested. The EPS memory foam makes it even safer and extra comfortable. Graco does free some space in the car, but it's not the slimmest car seat in the market by any means. Also, some users had difficulties with the installation, mainly with the latch system. They find the straps hard to tighten and loosen up. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.